Hello everyone, this is a new one of the month in the shop today at £22. It's a Cannonau, and Cannonau is Grenache basically, well-known grape variety. It's especially from Sardinia. It's one of our main red wine grape variety in Sardinia. Very well known for longevity, because apparently they've discovered in south of France and Sardinia, in small villages, they have a lot of centenarian people, and they couldn't understand what was the connection between them, whether it was dieting or they had a breed, whatever they do, and until they did all these, after they'd done all these examination and genetic tests and everything else, they discovered that this one variety has got something in the skin of the grape that gives people the longevity and expands it gives them a longer lifespan. And there's a lot of people who live over 100. Anyway, so this particular Cannonau is grown in a very rural area of Sardinia. And it's so rural that they still use cows to work the soil and everything else. So it's all hand picked, and it's quite an amazing vineyard, which has been there for many years and many years. This wine has got some very special tannin, and particularly it's got a lot of alcohol, and the alcohol rating is 15.5, which is as high as an Amarone. And bear in mind that Amarone is normally a grape that has to sit flat on a flat trays for sometimes to dry up, so the sugar level goes up. The sugar level goes up on these ones because in Sardinia we have a very strong sun, and the grape matures very fast, so the sugar level goes up and the alcohol level goes up. So I highly recommend it. I think it would be good to have it slightly cold, not chilled, cold, slightly cold. It's a great wine, absolutely fantastic. I don't think you taste the alcohol immediately when you drink it. You might taste it eventually later on when you get out from the chair, because as my father used to say, good wines always hits your legs, and the moment that hits your head, that means the wine is not good. So this is one of those wines that it would hit your legs, and you will only see when you get up. So I would highly recommend it for anybody to go and buy this in the shop. We have it also as a one of the month in the restaurants. You can have it by the glass, and it's again, Cannonau. It's what Sardinia is well known for. And with that, I will say goodbye and enjoy the wine.